he?
He keeps me because he keeps the knobs. He keeps another person because he keeps me.
Selma, who is he?
Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me.
Who is he? Who do you have?
He keeps me.
Who is that?
Because he keeps me. 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 Because he's my baby.
Is that Spider-Man?
He keeps me. No.
Who is it?
That guy.
What guy?
He's a name.
What's his name?
He keeps me. He keeps me. He keeps me.
He keeps you what?
He keeps me because so the mean person don't get me because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because but he gets the naughty person because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me.
Selma.
He keeps me because he keeps me. He's a nice girl. He keeps me. This is my favorite song. Because
Are you getting dizzy?
because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps
You're going round and round a lot.
because he keeps me. Because he keeps me. Because he keeps me.
Is that your favorite song?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's my favorite. But he keeps me. Because he keeps me. That's my favorite song. Because he keeps me. 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 Because he gets the
Selma.
takes the non-person away because he keeps me.
Bye.
Keeps me.